What's good, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video. Today guys, what I'm going to be doing is teaching you guys how to sell car parts straight from your phone. Let's get it. Okay guys, now this is something that I'm trying out new. I saw a YouTuber do it. His name is Devin or something like that. Devin, I don't know how to pronounce his last name, but I'm gonna leave his YouTube down in the description if you guys want to check him out. He's got a super sick FRS and a bunch of different cars. But anyways guys, we're gonna get straight into it. So one of the things he recommended in one of his videos was you can find people that are giving away stock parts, or even some of your own stock parts that you have laying around, or any extra car parts that you might not need. You can pretty much sell anything on eBay, and you'd be surprised how many people are actually searching for your stock crap. We actually got super lucky on this one. As you guys can probably tell, right here we have some 2002 Brembo STI brakes. One of my coworkers actually gave these to me. She had them laying around. Her car was totaled. I won't get too much into the details, but she had these laying around with no use and no purpose. So she figured, here's a car guy, here's a car enthusiast that can put these to use. Unfortunately, they're not gonna fit on my BRZ. So what I'm gonna do is get these cleaned up, take some pictures. Everything is gonna be straight from our iPhone, so you guys can, if you don't have like a special camera like I do, like a DSLR, or you don't have a computer or anything like that, you can pretty much do everything straight from your iPhone. So we're gonna be cleaning these up. I won't go too much into detail on how to clean some brakes. We can do a separate video for that. So I'll just show you guys me cleaning this, and then we'll come back inside because it's brick titties out there. We're gonna have a nice little setup, and we're gonna try to shoot some pics of this, put it on eBay, and see if we can sell these. But let's get into it. Alright guys, now the reason we're cleaning the brakes is because, I mean, technically, yeah, you can sell them like this dirty on eBay. It's a sales tactic. If the product looks better, people are gonna be more, I guess, drawn to it. So that's the reason we're cleaning them. But before we clean them, we gotta remove the brake pads, and I'm not gonna really explain it. I'm just gonna do it. So let's get into it. It looks like these brake pads still have a lot of life left in them, so we're gonna keep these and also offer this with the sale. Alright guys, so the brakes are pretty much clean. We brought them back inside here. We'll put the brakes on a white towel here, just so that we can take some pictures of it. The white is gonna really help make the brakes pop out. But anyways, what I was doing right now was going online. I went on eBay and I pretty much just typed in what I want to sell, so I can get an idea of how much people are asking for these right now. And I also checked the sold listings, and I saw that a couple of these were sold at roughly like 700. So we're gonna go based off those numbers when we make our own listing. And right now I'm gonna show you guys me taking some pictures for eBay. So let's do it. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead, jump into our eBay app, click on create listing, and you're just gonna basically describe what the item is. it's used, select used, and then scroll down to description, and here's where you want to get into some details and really break down what the item is. And you want to turn off auctions, buy it now price. We're gonna list it for $699.99. Offers. That's gonna be it. I had tons of fun filming this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please take a second and go down there, hit that like button and subscribe button. Make sure you don't miss a video. We got tons of stuff coming for the channel and you don't want to miss. As always, remember to savage responsibly in whatever it is that you do. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.